Since 2018, the GeoRiskPhilippines initiative, or GeoRiskPH, has been standardizing and managing geospatial information in the GeoRiskPH integrated system. GeoRiskPH also has been developing platforms that consume information from the GeoRiskPH integrated system.
From 2021 to 2024, through funding support from DOST and collaborations with key government agencies and the De La Salle University, we commit to standardize more scientific data and develop more sophisticated methods and platforms to proactively contribute to the Philippine construction industry and to the United Nations Global Risk Assessment Framework.
This new venture of the GeoRisk Philippines is called the 3D Philippines program, which has two projects. The first project is being led by the DOST-PHIVOLCS called the 3D Earth Risk. The second project is being led by De La Salle University called GEMS. Let me briefly introduce to you the 3D Earth Risk project. The longer title of the 3D Earth Risk is Optimization of the GeoRiskPH integrated system through risk assessment, site suitability models, 3D visualizations to aid policy and decision making. And exactly this is what the project is about.
By optimization, we mean to draw more practical value from existing and additional scientific data from the GeoRiskPH integrated system. In this way, we envision that we would make the work of our engineers and planners easier, resulting to more projects approved and more sites developed or improved in cost-effective ways. How do we do this? We do this through risk assessments using data cubes, which is the trajectory of risk assessments in the global arena. Looking at this figure, we see the value of having our data in an integrated system to strongly support sophisticated risk assessments. Through this framework, we could answer an important question. Where is the most suitable site for a housing project given X, Y, Z, and other parameters? But how do we actually do it? We do it by using site suitability models through GIS, utilizing parameters used by the National Housing Authority for now, and by the Department of Public Works and Highways later, and other similar institutions that are key to constructing government facilities. But you may say, not all are skilled in GIS. How do agencies be able to sustain this? We sustain this by involving the agencies from the start and automating complex functions, formulating a simple site suitability model tool with user-friendly buttons that will be integrated in the GeoRiskPH web and mobile applications, and as well as embedded in the 3D Philippines information system. In addition, 3D visualizations may be expected in our online platforms. Data standardization, data management in the integrated database system, development of new methods and online platforms, risk assessments, site suitability models, 3D visualizations. Why do we do all this? We do this as our small contribution to help the Philippine construction industry build safer structures, strongly founded by science based on accurate and verified information that are efficiently accessed through state-of-the-art technologies, which are founded by efficient systems, automations, and globally acceptable risk frameworks.
We do this not only to help the construction industry, but as well as to help our decision makers appreciate the value of scientific data translated into sensible and practical information through user-friendly applications. We hope that through 3D Earth Risk, legislations and regulations may be improved to ultimately build and sustain a safer and resilient Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, we enjoin you, our scientists, researchers, innovators, our engineers, policymakers, and individuals to support us. How? By contributing data, by collaborating with us, by giving us your feedback, and by using our outputs. By supporting each other, we will make all our endeavors more meaningful and more practical. Thank you.
Are you safe from natural hazard? Are you building your home in a safe area?
Or you simply need data for disaster risk management?
All these information may be easily accessed at the flick of your finger.
With Hazard Hunter PH. Hazard Hunter PH is an online application designed to generate seismic, volcanic, hydrometeorological hazard assessment reports, as well as location features. Instead of 1 to 3 days to generate a hazard assessment report, with Hazard Hunter PH, it only takes 15 seconds. This increases the efficiency and ease of doing business. So how do you use the Hazard Hunter PH application? Hazard Hunter PH is user-friendly. Just follow the following steps. Type the location in the search bar. Double-click or tap on the map to select the target area. Initial hazards assessment will appear on the screen. Select the View Explanation and Recommendation link to see the full report. This may be used as a quick reference, but users are advised to request a signed hazard assessment report if necessary. Hazard Hunter PH is a collaborative effort among government agencies, so you can have up-to-date natural hazards information anytime, anywhere. Enjoy free, contactless hazard assessments in one platform. Hazard Hunter PH. Hazard assessment at your fingertips.
This is PlanSmart Ready to Rebuild, your one-stop web app for faster, more inclusive, and resilient disaster recovery. Disasters set back our community's growth and development, especially when we are unprepared and unsure where to begin the recovery process. While disasters come and go in the blink of an eye, rehabilitation and recovery take years to happen. But what if you can prepare for post-disaster recovery even before it happens? To make this process more efficient, convenient, and effective, the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, through the Department of Science and Technology, the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, and the Office of Civil Defense, in partnership with the World Bank, developed the PlanSmart Ready to Rebuild app. PlanSmart is an automated planning tool that integrates the various assessment tools of the GeoRiskPhilippine platform with a Ready to Rebuild program to streamline the process for users at the local government level. Through PlanSmart, you can determine how many people can be affected by a disaster through accurate information, including hazard assessments and reports. It can also help you identify key stakeholders for rehabilitation and recovery, so you can organize and mobilize them quickly once disasters hit. Moreover, PlanSmart provides a menu of funding sources for various projects, programs, and activities to ensure efficient financing of resilient recovery. It also features a pro forma template of planning documents that consolidate all pre-disaster analyses. This will inform your local government on the best course of action before a typhoon, earthquake, or a volcanic eruption happens. This is also a platform for collaboration, as it can allow you to work with different organizations and institutions. It is envisioned to integrate impact assessment simulations in one system. And the best part? PlanSmart Ready to Rebuild app is free for everyone, anytime, anywhere. With PlanSmart Ready to Rebuild, we are steps closer towards a faster, more inclusive, and more resilient disaster recovery. And all this is finally at your fingertips.